Yeah, that does make a lot of sense. Wow, I must be kinda tired. Wait, what is this? No! No way! I'm definitely not missing this party. But I can't go out in this. Okay, just calm down and think for a second. I can do my makeup with both my hands at the same time. This is definitely saving me some time. Ow! These earrings are always such a pain to get in. I broke the brush. Now for these killer red heels. Yep, definitely the right choice. But what am I gonna do about wardrobe? Too fancy. Too casual. Ooh! Hey, I think this is just right. Yep, this is the outfit of choice for sure. Hey, are you ready to go? Oh no. You're wearing the same dress as me! Shoot. Now what are we gonna do? We definitely can't go out like this. Oh! Stop right there! I just got a great idea. I know how I can make my dress look different. I'll just crisscross the straps like this. And now I'll need to use my trusty scissors. I cut slits into each side. Perfect! Wow, it's almost completely different. You're definitely looking amazing tonight. Oh my gosh, she's so funny. Aw, I just got the sweetest message. No way! Look! Chris just asked me on a date! What? Jealous? Wait! Check this out! Chris wants me to go on a date too! How can he do this to me? Men, huh? There must be a mistake. I know! Why would he ask you for a date? Only one of us can date Chris, okay? Okay. And it's gonna be me. Yeah, right. We'll see about that. I'm gonna wow Chris. Two can play that game. I was gonna wear that lipstick. Aw, what a shame. That's not a problem. I love these earrings. I didn't like them anyway. These are much classier. Just tell yourself that. I'm getting my bag. Me too. This one. You're kidding me. It looks cheap anyway. These jeans always look good. They're mine! No, they're not! Let go! I saw them first! Stop it! Make me! Ugh! Look what you did! You can have them. Good luck. But… what am I gonna do now? I can't wear these. Unless… I need to make a bigger tear. Then I'll slip my hands through the legs. And then my head through the tear. Just like this. Now to pull them down. Wow, this looks amazing! Time to go! Not so fast. Looks good, right? I'll admit it, I'm impressed. See ya! Out of my way! Chris? Who's he with?
Wow.
Oh, hey girls! Oh! They're twins! Let's forget about this. After you. I'm just waiting on Mindy. Oh, here she is. Gotta go. Hey, how are you? Shall we go? Huh? I can't get up. That's strange. Actually, it's worse. It's wet paint! No! I didn't see the sign! Why did this have to happen to me? I can't get off! I'm stuck to the bench! Ugh! That happens more than you think. What do I do? Wait, did I use paint? Or glue? Oops. Just act natural. It's no use. I'm staying here. Wait, maybe I can help. I thought this would work. Pull harder. Come on, get off my bench. Phew, what a workout. That was exhausting. You're telling me? How does it look? Tell me the truth. It's bad, isn't it? Totally. Wait! I think I can fix this. I just need a few supplies. I'll take that. I loved these jeans. Okay, let's get to work. Trust me. I'll just spray over your jeans with the paint. And I'll use some stencils. This is gonna look great! A few more lines down here. Oh, this'll be perfect right here. I should be a designer. That's the back finished. Now for the front. This piece of card will stop any paint getting onto your skin. You should pay me for this. Ha! Okay, I'll add a few more details. That's it! All done! What do you think? Wow! These are fantastic! I can't believe I have custom jeans! You're a genius! It's what friends do. Okay, let's go! Where's my paint? It must be around here somewhere. Phew. I can't lose this. Uh-oh. I just made a huge mistake! Just gotta finish tying my laces. I should probably ditch this gum. I'll just put it right here. Oh, someone's texting me. Oh my god! That workout was so hard! Stop! No! I told you to stop! Why didn't you listen? What's the big problem? What is it? What's going on with you? Is that gum? Did I sit in gum? Why are you always leaving your gum everywhere? Now what am I supposed to do about these pants? You know what? You fix them! Okay. Though I don't know how to get this gum off. Any time today, please? Ugh. This is ridiculous. I can't believe you did this. There's gotta be something. Wait a second. I've got some scissors! No way! I don't want a hole in my pants! Listen, just trust me on this. I know this is scary, but it will totally work. Promise. I'm just gonna start cutting your pants. And done! I'll just get rid of the part with the gum. Yes! Just like I imagined. Look, here you go. Try it on. Okay. What am I supposed to do with this part? Calm down and turn around, please. See? Now just tuck them in. Huh. It's actually cute. But I still don't have any pants! Here, you can borrow my jeans. You look super cute! Phew. I'm so glad that worked. Oh my gosh, I need a new look. These have to go. I don't need these glasses. I'll take that. And I have to do something with this shirt. Hey, Mindy. I'll take that, Lily. Now the party can start. Ooh, I love this so much. I wish I could just live off of chocolate. Ooh, and ice cream, of course. Wow, that is a lot of junk food for one person. What are you doing? This is all like pure sugar. If you keep eating like this, you won't look like that for much longer. I guess you're right. But would it be so bad? Yes! I finally got all the chocolate I want! Ooh, I don't want that for me. No! I've got to start exercising too! No more sweatpants for me. There's gotta be workout clothes in here somewhere. Shoot, this is the only pair I can find. Well, what's wrong with them? I mean, just look at them. They don't work. Look, I'm sure you could do something to make them like mine. That's a really good idea. I'll lay them down nice and flat. And then I'll need some scissors. Time to cut them so they're shorter. I'll go nice and slow. I want to make sure the cut is straight. Just like that. All the way across both legs. Perfect! They're ready for me to try on. Wow, they fit really well. And they're cute. Good job! Those look great! Thanks! Let's go jogging! Okay. Yes, you can go in. Oh, looks like there's a bit of a line to get in. I hope the wait's not too long. Yay! The line's moving again! Wow, very nice. Go on through. No. Nope. No way. What? Well, whatever. I don't want to go in anyway. People just need to learn to dress better if they want in. Like he's even want to talk. That suit is so boring. Wait. Maybe I can give this look a try. I said no. There's gotta be something I can do to get in there. Hair down and no glasses. Here I go. You again? No! No! No. God, why can't she get it through her head? Not fair! He's so mean! Maybe if I use these scissors? Would that work? Wait, it just might work. Sorry, bag, but I need to cut you. There we go. The bottom is off. Now for the next step. Wear it like a tank top. I need something to really make this look pop. My hoop earring should work. Perfect! I've gotta get inside now. Whoa! Well, alright. You can go in. Yes! I knew it would work. These will look great here. Everyone loves watermelon. And it gives my party a tropical feel. Let's untie the curtains. I think that's everything. It's looking great. Hang on. I almost forgot something. My watermelon! It's beautiful! I'll take this through to the living room. Whoa! Why is the world so cruel? What am I gonna do now? Oh, I know! Ugh, the store's closed. But I need a watermelon. I'll find my own. This isn't looking good. Maybe I'll get lucky here. Oh, this might have been a bad idea. Ugh. Ugh. At last! Delicious watermelons! Look at my t-shirt. That's not important just now. Oh, wait. I don't have a bag to carry it. But maybe I don't need one. If I make more holes in my t-shirt, I can use this. I mean, it's ruined anyway. Okay, that should do it. I'll take it off and turn it upside down. Then tie a knot in it. This'll do perfectly. The watermelon will fit in there, and I can carry it back home. This is just what I need! Let's go! We made it home in one piece. And I'll put the watermelon right here. This turned out to be really useful. Hey, is that watermelon? Oh, I want a slice! It's so juicy! I love it! Time to take out the trash. Ugh, I'm so tired. I need a lazy day. Ugh, that stinks. Oh no! It's Chris! I can't let him see me looking like this! I look like garbage! I need to think of something and fast! Why did he have to sit there? I'll hide here until he leaves. Come on, Chris, just go! Oh no! He's coming this way! What am I gonna do? There's only one thing for it! What? I don't believe it. I'm on my way. Ouch! Now I really look like garbage. But at least I didn't embarrass myself. No, that's a bad idea. Come on, think! There must be something I can do. Maybe I can use some trash. Desperate times call for desperate measures. I mean, it's not the worst.
What? I don't believe it. Ugh! Are you okay, bro? Yeah. Go away! Wait, do I know you? Luna? Hi, Chris. What are you doing? You look like a hobo. You don't need to be mean. You're such a loser. He's so mean. Nope. It can't be this difficult. This is so annoying. Oh, hello. What the? I need this dress. I'll trade you. You're crazy. Ew. I thought that was a good deal. Wait, I think I've got it. I'll just take my hands out my sleeves. And pass them through the neck of my top. Then tighten the sleeves at the front. And tie them around my neck. That's really cute. Oh, my hair. That's more like it. What? I don't believe it. I'm on my way. Chris? Hey, get back here! Oh, hi. How's things? Hey, Luna. You look great. That's so nice of you to notice.
Just gotta make a stop at my locker. Oh, he's just so cute. Bye-bye. I'll see you later, cutie. Oh my gosh, he's right there. Hi. He didn't even notice me. It's just not fair. Oh, is she crying over there? She is. I wonder if there's something I can do. I know she has a huge crush on Jared. You know what? I'll go talk to her. Hey, are you crying because of Jared? Look, I think I can help you catch his eye. That's right. Take my bangle and do exactly what I tell you. Okay, I can do that. Oh, I really hope this works. Alright, first I've gotta take off my button-down shirt. And then she said I need to put it on backwards. Okay, I've done that. Now it's time for the bangle. This part might be a bit tricky. I've got to grab the two ends behind me and put them through. Then I've got to pull until it's nice and tight. Now I've got to button the ends in the front. And I'll just fold it under so it can't be seen. Perfect! Now to take off my glasses and let down my hair. Okay, I think I'm ready to show off my new look. Whoa! Who the heck is that? She's amazing! Hey, I bought you this bear because I know you like bears. What the heck? Where did these guys even come from? Sometimes, a perfectly ordinary day can take a wrong turn in seconds. Ooh, that's bad. Way to go, Betty! This shirt's brand new! You've gotta be kidding me! Help is on the way, Lily! Just keep it! What do I do now? I don't have time to change. Unless I can just fashion something myself. Open the oversized scarf. And wrap it around your waist. Use the elastic to secure it here. Make sure it's good and tight. Once it's secure, take the back corners in both hands. Then tie the tassels around the knot. Once that's done, turn the whole piece around. Now put your arms through the new sleeves. And just like that, you've got a brand new top! I'd better head to class.